Just like every other object in Python, timestamps have their own attributes and methods. Let's go ahead and create one. So this time on October 5th, 2020. So if we do ts.tab, these are, you should be very, very familiar with these. These are the same ones that are available to the DT accessor on a data frame date time column. So you can get, the year, the hour, you can get every piece of this. You can extract from here. You can even get, the month. You can get the month name. For some reason, this is a method to put parentheses over here. So many different things you can ask it. Is this the month end? No, it is not. Is this a leap year? So many different things you can get from the attributes and methods. Now you can also round this. We talked about this before by giving it an offset alias. So round it to the nearest hour. You can go up, so go to the ceiling. Right, so we've talked about all of these before. So all of these same attributes and methods that you're familiar with are available to these single, scalar timestamp objects as well.